When I say the bitter melon becomes the better melon, wow. I've been eating a lot of vegetables nowadays, so I've been a little bit down. But today, I know some of you are going to get angry with what I said. But no, I'm making karela with chicken. The stuffed chicken karela is one of the tastiest preparations you will make it. Karela goes awesome. The chicken also gets very tasty. So here I have taken a karela. Look at the hole. It is slightly slanted. That's because I have taken a karela and cut slices slantly. This way the holes become bigger and you can stuff it with more of chicken. Now ground the chicken to kind of coarsely paste. In this add pinch of salt, some chili powder, a little bit of garam masala. That's all. And mix this mixture well. Hole by hole, we're going to stuff and turn it to the other side. Look at it. It looks nice and perfect. And put it on the side. So the same way, we're going to fill all these karela which were cut in an angle. Make sure some of the stuff comes out on the other side. Perfect. So when all the karelas are done, we're going to fry them. All the karela, the bitter gourd, is all stuffed, and the leftover chicken keema, we're going to use it because that's going to be like keema curry with this karela stuffing. My God, it's amazing. With the little extra oil, we're going to fry this karela. The stuffed karela, one by one, and fry them on both sides till they are slightly golden in color. Just turn it to the other side and cook. When they are hot and red, transfer it onto the plate. This is going to go back into the masala which we're going to cook with minced chicken. To this oil, add cumin, curry leaf, some finely chopped green chilli. I love this curry leaf green chilli aroma. In this, add finely chopped onion, add some salt, and let this saute till they are slightly colored. Add turmeric, ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, and in this we are going to give a little bit of sourness by adding little amchur powder, chili powder, and we're going to add some tomatoes. Okay. Add a little bit water. Cook this till the tomatoes are slightly mashed. To the minced meat, I added a little bit water, so it's easy for me to, mix and cook. To this, I'm going to add a pinch of sugar. Trust me, with the bitter melon, this is going to taste awesome. So not much, just half a spoon, and mix it well. Let this keema cook well. We're going to adjust the salt in the last. Only then we're going to add the stuffed karela in this. The more dry it gets tastier. So add this when it is slightly moist and let it cook till it gets dry. And with the nice oily stuff, it's going to taste awesome. Now just mix it. Reduce the flame and let it cook for a few minutes. Once it gets really dry, nice, sprinkle a little bit of chopped coriander, and this is ready to serve. Such an amazing dish, and the bitter melon becomes the better melon of the day. When I say the bitter melon becomes the better melon, wow. Just amazing. Recently I have made this couple of times. I just wanted to share this recipe with you. This, even with drinks, this will go amazing. It can become awesome snack, and wow. And of course, the chicken keema, just awesome.